The blue dolphin cichlid, also called the blue moray, the hump-head, the Malawi dolphin, and its Latin name is Moray. I'll put it on the screen for y'all. Has the body shape that kind of looks like a dolphin's snout, hence where it gets its name from. They're a species of the haplochromon from Lake Malawi in East Africa. So for your water parameters, you're going to keep them at a pH of between 7 and 8.8 with a temperature range of 72 to 84. Now these fish can grow from about 12 inches and above and will live around 10 years. So when you get them, you're going to want to house them in nothing smaller than a 55 to start out, but they're going to slowly grow up and you're going to want to probably upgrade them to a 125 to provide them with ample swimming space, and they reach adulthood in about 3 years. Unlike some of their cousins in the Rift Lakes, these fish are considered more peaceful without the same extreme aggressive nature and tendencies that we see in other African cichlids. That being said, males will still fight for dominance from time to time. And if you keep them in a group, they will form into a school, providing another layer of interaction for you in your fish tank. The suggested ratio for these is 1 male per 2 females, or you can keep a all-male tank or an all-female tank, as most people do with African cichlids, just to help with those aggressive issues. They're also going to prefer more swimming space compared to shelter areas compared to fish like the mbuna, which prefer more rock formations than swim space. So with these guys, you're going to want to give them more swimming area and not so much rock work, but still give them a little places they can get behind and hide and de-stress. Now when it comes to food, they're an omnivore and they're not very picky when it comes to taking stuff, so they'll pretty much eat anything. That being said, in the wild, they're going to eat things like organic debris from plants, some worms, some small crustaceans, anything that really is floating in the water that's small enough to fit in their mouth. So in your tank, you can feed them things like bloodworms, daphnia, spirulina. Think foods with high protein, and then just throw in a veggie in there for a nice balanced diet. Now overall, I think these are a sweet looking, super cool fish. I will love to keep them one day in a large tank, but given the large size tank they do require, I'm only going to give these guys a 7 out of 10 simply because not everyone can own a 125 gallon tank or something bigger. So as always, thank you all so much for watching and the continued support in all the videos. I hope you did enjoy this. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the blue dolphin cichlid if you want to keep them at some point. If you think they're as cool as I think they are, I'm kind of on a cichlid kick lately. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.